If you're hoping to become a certified lactation consultant, gaining experience working with mothers and babies is essential. Hi, I'm Vergie Hughes, the Director of Lactation Education Resources, and I get many questions from aspiring lactation consultants who aren't sure where or how to get the required clinical experience. In this video, we'll discuss how and where to obtain the clinical experience that you need to become eligible for the IBLCE certification exam. Pathway 3 is the entry point for people who do not have a medical background or previous experience working with breastfeeding mothers and infants. It involves a comprehensive lactation course and a formal internship program. This program must be pre-approved by the IBLCE prior to starting and must be with the supervision of a lactation consultant. Please go to the IBLCE website to obtain an application for a clinical internship program. There are guidelines for how an internship program is to be conducted. Click on the link to download the Pathway 3 approval packet. Keep in mind that this application needs to be filed with the IBLCE well in advance of the start of your internship. If you're not able to find an organized internship in your area, you can put one together for yourself. Follow the plan in the IBLCE guidelines. We at Lactation Education Resources offer internships in the Metro Washington, D.C. and Baltimore areas. You can obtain more information about our internships from our website. Here are a few tips to help you find a mentor in your area. Start by talking to a lactation consultant you know. If you don't know any lactation consultants, ask a pediatrician who he refers his patients to when they need breastfeeding assistance. You can get the names of lactation consultants in your area from the ILCA website at ilca.org. ILCA is the Professional Association for Lactation Consultants, and they have a feature on their website called Find a Lactation Consultant. Put in your zip code and you will see who lives near you, and just start making phone calls. Ask the leader of a local La Leche League group what lactation consultants work nearby. Try calling your local hospital to see if they offer internships or if they would consider taking an intern. They may have a lactation center, or they may have a lactation consultant who also works as a nurse there. Attend your local ILCA group. Most large metropolitan cities have a local group that meets periodically. This is a great place to find out what's going on in the area and what options might be open to you. You can locate your local ILCA group at uslca.org. Attend the local Breastfeeding Coalition meetings. Actually, attending meetings of both the ILCA group and the Breastfeeding Coalition is a great place to meet people who can help you. Meet the members and inquire if there are internship opportunities available. No matter where you're able to find an internship placement, you will need to have completed a comprehensive lactation training program, such as the ones we offer online, before you start. As a lactation consultant, you may find opportunities to work in a variety of settings. If you would like to view information on what goes on in the daily life of a lactation consultant, you might like to listen to our interviews with lactation consultants who are working in a variety of settings, including the hospital, pediatric office, the neonatal intensive care unit, outreach settings, worksite settings, and in private practice. Information about our webcast interviews can be obtained from our website at lactationtraining.com in the Continuing Education section. Clinical experience adds so much to round out your education for aspiring lactation consultants. Our students tell us, "This course was great, but it wasn't until I started to work with breastfeeding mothers that it all came together." An internship is a fantastic experience. Experienced lactation consultants have so many skills and so much wisdom to share. We hope that you will find your clinical internship a rewarding experience.